Hello Excel champions, it's William aka Dr. Excel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use the count function in Excel to count different values. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take different examples here and I'm gonna give you the final file so you can check the examples with me. It's gonna be available for download right below the video. I'm gonna put the link as usual for you so you can download and follow with me. So how to use the count function? First I'm gonna take I'm going to set some values here and we're going to use the function count on it. Okay, so count, it counts different types of different value in the range that you select. So you can either select one range, for example B2 to B10, and it's going to count the values that are in that range. What I'm going to do, I'm going to display for you what formulas I use. This way you see. So what happens here, I use count on this range, and what is it going to count? It's going to count the values. So it's not going to count the unique values. Here you see it detects how many? 7 values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So even if we have duplicates, it's going to count them. It means the number of cells that are filled. It doesn't count unique values. So that's important. You can as well use different ranges. For example, I'm going to use count this cell and this range and this range, so I can count a union of ranges. You know, I can specify different ranges, any number of ranges I want, and same thing, it's going to count the values in this union of ranges. So here in both this blue range and this red range. What happens when I have some text in there? I'm going to show you. So count, I'm going to count in all of this. You see it only counts numerical values. So here I get some text, it doesn't count it within my count, so it only counts the numerical values, only the numbers. Okay, so how to use the count function? Function count, it will only take into account the numbers in the ranges that you select, so be careful about that. So you can download the file with the examples if you want, and I will see you tomorrow for a new Excel tip. Don't forget to subscribe, this way you'll be notified as soon as I publish it. See you tomorrow. Ciao.